guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another sewing video. As promised last week, I am continuing my spring DIY wardrobe. I made a video before Christmas about small Christmas gifts that you could make out of fabric scrap, and I'm very much into quilting and patchwork these days. I just love the look of it. With patchwork, you always first kind of have to make a fabric, and I wanted to just sew them together because this way you save more fabric. I just lay down the pattern and kind of build on top of it. It just makes it a different piece look like this. It kind of looks like abstract art. Let me know what you would have done. I think I will add these. This is really beautiful too. I think it's too much because I also don't have it in the other side, and I feel like with this it's like too many different fabrics. Now I'm going to work on the other one, and I will always work in kind of lines. And now I can put this onto this row and so on and so forth. I have this old curtain. This is not a color I would usually wear. I have it laying around, so why not make a jacket out of it? Watched my perfect 80s jacket video, you would know that I made a pattern last time, and I just brought that pattern with me. I definitely have to change something, so I'm just going to work on the pattern and cut the pieces. Guys, I finished the jacket yesterday, just the base of it, and I just cut out the tubes for the waist. So I'm just going to sew that on there and then get to the collar, and then I think I will also make some pockets on here. $33. The jacket is done. I'm not going to add buttons or a zipper. I think it's cute. The pockets are a little high up. I did a little fold in the back to make it a little bit more kind of 80s baggy, but cropped and cinched in the waist. So this is what happens with patchwork sometimes, because it's so many scraps. Okay, I think I found a really good way how to sew together the lining and the main fabric with a vest, because I've always struggled with the arm cutouts, and I think this way is good. And because it's patchwork, this was the part where I didn't know, is it too long or some parts too short? You can tell the lining is longer. So it's good that I can still cut that even before sewing it together. Okay, now let's see if I had a logical mistake. So we shall see in just a second. Yeah. Okay, I only have to close the hole down there, and before that I will push out all of these edges. Also just going to iron this part. Moment of truth, ignore the mess, as always. Definitely have to iron over it again. I could imagine some hooks, and then maybe in the summer I could wear it as a top without anything underneath. You know, like that. Ignore the pants again because they don't match at all. But with some little hooks, it's like a very chill top. Could be even more cinched in, but I like it. It's kind of like this 80s look that I was trying to get for the jacket. It kind of has this look. I think it's really, really cute. It looks very fresh. It looks like ice cream. Fun fact also, this method makes the vest the exact same on the outside as on the inside, so I could even wear it the other way around because you don't have any visible seam that's like, you know, on the inside, as it sometimes is when you turn it around. That's the way you do it with jackets, but because I did it down here, I can wear the gray side as well. This is obviously a lot more business, not really that much my thing, but maybe I will have an opportunity sometime to wear it this way. Maybe I could pin down somewhere these edges, maybe also here, kind of have a little bit of fun on the gray side as well. But that's the vest. I'm now going to make a sweatshirt, a long sleeve shirt, out of this pink jersey. I'm into the patchwork right now, and also I just have tiny rests, not enough to cut out the whole pattern. So I'm just going to make visible seams, kind of like the turned upside down look. Top so far. I want to add sleeves, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. I'm going to call it a day, but I wanted to at least finish the base of it, if you want to call it that. So in the back it just has 3 pieces, very simple, and in the front it was a bit more complicated. It fits well. Obviously these seams would look a lot better with an overlock, so maybe when I'm at my work they have an overlock, and maybe if I have time I can quickly do all of the seams again, just so they look more clean. So I want to make a shape like this one, this kind of detail in the back, so just, you know, a string.